Hello students, today we are going to see chapter 5 Geometry, the first topic angles. Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter 5 Geometry. The first heading is angles. First one, acute angle. Acute angle means an angle whose measure is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. So this is a acute angle. Less than 90 degree is called acute angle. So example 40 degree, 60 degree, 35 degree is a acute angle. Second one, right angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree is called right angle. Exactly 90 degree is called right angle. Third one, obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. So, less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Greater than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. This is obtuse angle. Example, 110 degree, 160 degree, 135 degree. Straight angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 180 degree is called straight angle. This is a straight angle. The last one, reflex angle. The angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. Example, 270, 240. This is a reflex angle. First one, acute angle. Second one, right angle. Third one, obtuse angle. Fourth one, straight angle. Last one, reflex angle. Next, we see complementary angle and supplementary angles. Next heading, complementary angles and supplementary angles. The first one, complementary angles. Listen, two angles are called complementary angles if their sum is 90 degree. We take any two acute angle, sum of the two acute angle, the total is 90 degree, that is called complementary angles. Example, 35 degree plus 55 degree, sum of the acute angle, we get answer 90 degree, that is called complementary angles. 45 degree is acute angle. Another 45 degree is also acute angle. Sum of the acute angle, we get answer 90 degree, that is called complementary angles. Second one, supplementary angles. Two angles are called supplementary angles if their sum is 180 degree. Now we take one acute angle, one obtuse angle. So sum of two angles, we get answer 180 degree, that is called supplementary angle. 90 degree and 90 degree, two right angle. So sum of two angles 180 degree, that is called supplementary angles. So complementary angles mean two angles are called complementary angle, sum of 90 degree. Supplementary angle, two angles are supplementary angle, sum is 180 degree. Okay. Next topic, adjacent angles and linear pair. First one, adjacent angle. Two angles which have a common vertex and a common arm whose interior do not overlap are called adjacent angle. Listen here. AOB and BOC. There are two angles. Angle 1, angle 2. 1 and 2. That means AOB and BOC. 1 and 2 are adjacent angle. So, two angles, angle 1, angle 2, common vertex O, common arm OB. OB is the common arm. So, OB is the common arm between two angles AOB and BOC. So, these two angles are adjacent angle. Similarly, BOC and COD. Angle 2, angle 3, adjacent angle. So, O is the common vertex, OC is the common arm, OC between angle BOC and COD. So, angle 1, angle 2, adjacent angle, angle 2, angle 3, adjacent angle. Next topic, linear pair. The adjacent angles that are supplementary led us to a pair of angles that lie on a straight line. So, there are two angles, one angle, another angle. One angle is QP, QPR. Another angle SPR. This pair of angles are called linear pair of angles. So, sum of the two angles, sum of the two adjacent angles, that is some supplementary angles, that is called linear pair. So, first one, example sum, find AOC. Listen here, AOB angle 51 degree and BOC angle 46 degree is given. You find AOC. AOC equal to angle AOB plus BOC. So, AOC angle 2 angle plus பண்ணா AOC நம்ம find out பண்ணலாம். So, AOB ஓட angle 51, BOC ஓட angle 46 degree. So, sum of two angle we get answer 97. So, AOC equal to 97. Second one, example, pair of adjacent angles will make a linear pair. Sum of two angles, we take two angles 105 and 65 degree. Sum of two angle is 180 degree. So, that is linear pair. Not 180 degree. So, sum of two angle is 170 degree. So, not 180 degree. The pair cannot make a linear pair. Next, second one, 40 degree and 140 degree. Sum of the two angle. The sum of the angles are 180 degree. So, this is parallel will be a linear pair. So, sum of two angle not 180 degree. The pair cannot make a linear pair. Sum of the angle 180 degree. The pair will be a linear pair. Next one, example 3. First one, find the missing angle. Listen here. ACB is the straight line. CD arm. One angle ACD 123 degree is given. Find the BCD, that is X. Sum of the two angles are 180 degree. That angles are linear pair. We take angle ACD. ACD equal to 123 degree. BCD. So, we don't know the value. Equal to sum of the two angles is 180 degree. That angles are linear pair. So, BCD equal to plus 123. Opposite go to minus 123. So, 180 minus 123. So, subtract the value. 180 minus 123. So, 10 minus 3, 7. So, 7 minus 2, 5. We get answer 57 degree. So, missing angle BCD equal to 57 degree. Fourth one, example, two angles are in the ratio 3:2. If they are linear pair, find them. So, the ratio angle 3:2, we take 3x and 2x. Let the angles be 3x and 2x. Sum of the angles 3x plus 2x is 180 degree. That angles are linear pair of angles. So, we take 3x plus 2x equal to 180 degree. 3x plus 2x equal to 5x equal to 180 degree. 5x means 5 into x equal to 180. Multiply 5, opposite go to divide. So, x equal to 180 degree divide 5. So, 180 divide 5. 3 times 5 3s are 15. 8 minus 5, 3. Next number 0. 30. 6 5s are 30. So x angle equal to 36 degree. You find 3x. So 3 into 36. We get answer 108. 2x. 2 into 36. 72 degree. Therefore, the angles are 108 and 72 degree.